In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Shopify header smaller. A leaner header helps more of your products show above the fold, keeps navigation within reach, and can make your store feel faster and cleaner, especially on mobile. We'll keep things simple and stick to the built-in theme options so you don't have to touch any code. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. This is your store's control center where you manage themes, products, settings, and apps. Make sure you're signed into the correct store so the changes you make apply to the right theme. Next, look at the left sidebar and click Online Store, then select Themes. This page lists your current theme at the top. That's the one your customers see. If you're working on a draft theme, you'll find it here as well, but we'll focus on the live one so you can preview changes immediately. Find your current theme and click the option to edit it. In many Shopify interfaces, this button is labeled Customize, which opens the visual theme editor. That's exactly what we want. If you see a small menu icon beside your theme, choose the option that takes you into the visual editor rather than code. Once the theme editor opens, you'll see a preview of your storefront and a sidebar with sections. Select the header section. The header controls your logo, navigation, announcement bar, and sometimes search or icons. If your theme has multiple templates, make sure you're viewing the default page or your home page so you can see the header clearly while you adjust it. Inside the header settings, look for the logo size or logo width control. Most themes offer a slider or a numeric width in pixels. Gently reduce this value and watch the live preview update. Smaller logos typically shorten the header height automatically. Aim for a size that keeps the logo crisp and readable on desktop and mobile. Toggle the preview between desktop and mobile at the top of the editor to confirm it looks balanced in both views. If your header includes spacing, padding, or menu height options within this same section, you can trim those slightly as well to tighten the header without compromising legibility. Avoid shrinking too far. If the logo becomes fuzzy, consider uploading a higher resolution logo file sized for the new width later. When you're happy with the result, click Save in the top right corner, give the editor a moment to apply changes, then refresh your storefront to confirm everything looks and behaves as expected. That's it, your header is now tighter, cleaner, and more user-friendly without any code edits.